Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see blocked users over on Snapchat. So if you want to see who you have blocked over on Snapchat, then here's how you can do this. So the first thing you need to do is open your Snapchat account, just like this, and once you've done that you can go over to chats. Once you've done that, all you need to do is click on your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, just like this. And then you can go to the top right corner of your screen and click on that little gear icon, which will bring you to settings right here. Once you've done that, simply scroll all the way to the downside right here till you find privacy controls, and then you can also see blocked users, where you can click on, and then you will be able to see who you have blocked over on Snapchat. You can see I don't have anyone blocked yet. However, if you have people blocked, then this is where you can see it and also unblock them. So yeah, that's how you can see blocked users on Snapchat. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.